The DDJ-SX is the world's first controller to support Serato DJ, and because Pioneer and Serato have worked together on the design, it features the latest technology from both camps. We've also come up with some really exciting new features that you won't find anywhere else. First up, we've made the hardware tough for the road with an aluminium faceplate and jog wheel. We brought a touch of CDJ to the tables with a brilliant illuminated jog display that feeds back essential functions like track position with the best look on the market. They use conductive technology for super responsive touch control and incredibly low latency. Right next to the decks you get instant access to the third and fourth decks, plus an exclusive dual deck control. This makes it possible to build up multi-track compositions and then scratch two tracks or song elements at the same time. Manipulating the music even further, you get 8 super high quality rubber pads with instant access to hot cues, roll, and the slicer for dicing up and re-triggering your beats. And finally, the sampler takes advantage of exclusive velocity-sensitive pad control for truly expressive finger drumming. There's a whole loop editing section too, putting all the creative performance functions right at the front with clear definition. Another major leap forward is Serato's exciting partnership with legendary sonic technicians iZotope, who help create the advanced twin effects section at the top of the controller. For the first time, DJs have access to wet-dry, FX Select, along with beat control and 2 dedicated effects parameter dials and buttons to really control the sound. Just below this is the needle search with direct access to slip mode on the right and reverse on the left. The mixer section is another testament to the partnership, with 4 channels operating as a real mixer. You get Serato DJ Isolator EQ and DJM style color filters on every channel. At the top is the browse control with direct deck loading, instant doubles and effects assigning. Down the center you have the master output control and meters, a dedicated booth out control and headphone cue section. Along with the 4-channel faders with fader start, there's a dedicated sampler volume too. The crossfader is easily replaceable with fader assign control and retractable curve control on the front. When it comes to connections, the headphone section has small and large jack, plus a retractable level control for safe transit. The input channels have 4 RCAs, with channels 1 and 2 featuring switchable phono line preamps, easily accessed from the front panel. Any combination from 4 virtual decks, 4 line, 2 turntable and 2 mic sources can be connected and monitored through individual mixer channel meters. Channel 3 has a Combi XLR jack mic input and a second mic input on channel 4 using jack. So many people will be thrilled to see XLR and RCA for the master out, plus dedicated booth output on balanced jacks. Finally, Serato DJ mixes can be recorded internally in the software. As you can see, the DDJ-SX has some seriously heavyweight features, plus all the connections you need for connecting to professional PA systems. It's got the booth out that so many people need for live use and all the remixing and live editing functions that modern technology can offer. It goes without saying that a Serato and Pioneer controller comes completely pre-mapped, so just install the software, plug it in and it's ready to go. The first 10,000 units will also ship with a Serato video license, adding a serious video mixing option into the mix. The DDJ-SX really has everything and it's such a pleasure to use, so if you want the best performance, mobile and scratch DJing controller, this is the one for you.